Hey guys, I'm really excited to be sharing my bathroom redo video with you guys. So as you can see, I definitely love creating visual boards, especially when I'm redoing a space so that I can use that as a way to draw inspiration on the color palette and other design elements I want to have in the space. I wanted to create a wall that was going to definitely hold and get your attention as soon as you entered the space, and I opted to trace out some shapes first, then further outline those with Sharpie, and then fill them in with a matte black paint. I'm actually inspired by some artwork I found here on Instagram, and I'll be sure to tag the artist. Her artwork is amazing, and she does have pieces for sale online. The reason why I wanted to create this visual wall was so that I could draw your eye to a bold print like this and away from some of the elements I can't change. Sometimes if you're renting a space, if you're in an apartment or the like, you may have certain elements about the space that you're not able to change, but you can still create a nice livable space that's cozy and beautiful despite that. As you guys are going to see at the end of this video, I still have the same tile, flooring, and some other elements that I was not able to change due to rental rules within our apartment building, but I absolutely love how the bathroom ended up coming together. So after I finished this wall, I went ahead and brought in a storage piece with this over the toilet storage area that I got from Target, and I went ahead and cleaned and prepped that for staging design. I also changed out other elements like the shower curtain. I didn't want to leave any area behind. I really wanted it to be a full bathroom redo, and I brought in this beautiful linen shower curtain that I got from Target as well. And even though it may look like a solid color, it actually has small pinstripe, and little things like this just create visual interest. It has fringes at the bottom. Don't worry, the wrinkles will definitely steam out in just a moment. I'm going to turn on the shower, but things like that can really enrich the space. I then also use some command hooks, which actually, if you follow every single direction, follow the directions, y'all, are really great way to add a richness to the space, and you don't have to bang up your walls. Now I brought in some different staging pieces in Decor, and honestly, I do not have a rhyme or reason to this. This is where that room inspiration board photo really comes in handy. It allows me to kind of have a vision of what I ultimately want the space to look like when I finish, and I'm able to bring in design elements that'll help me achieve that. I brought in some different decor, and I decided to go with false greenery because this bathroom does not get any natural light. Once the light is out, the space is dark. I didn't want to compromise a living plant just for the vibe or aesthetic look. So opt for fake greenery if your space isn't the best for a plant. Here's a quick scan of everything once I put everything together, and let's go back over these elements a little more in depth. So these command hooks ended up holding these tiles that I'll use when standing out of the shower. I love the texture of these, and I loved bringing in different shades of cream and white and beige and different textures. Then I brought in some fluffier, softer towels for hand towels. I also repurposed some old canvases that I had. The artwork that was on them was kind of like gold foil writing, and it no longer worked for the vibe that I was going for. Again, I used the inspiration board to get different abstract ideas, and that's how I created these. I also brought in vases and even some toiletries, and again some more hand towels and just linens to decorate this over the toilet storage area. What I love about this is that it's now provided my bathroom with a lot more storage. I even use toiletries to decorate. If the bottle is beautiful of your perfume, put that out. Even bath salts like these that are in this jar look much more elevated. These are literally just Dr. Teal's bath salts, and it even makes the space smell amazing because they are eucalyptus scented. My toiletry bag is out here as well, which ended up fitting in this space just beautifully. And I also added a couple of books, some more washcloths, things like that, as well as some poop spray to just have it right over the toilet. And all of this really just creates a nice homey feel and fits the boho kind of farmhouse vibe I was going for. Even elements like the trash can and towel did not get overlooked when I did this bathroom redo. And this is the finished product, y'all, and I kept this really simple. I'll make sure to leave links below to different items that I use, as well as some source inspiration photos, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.